we've got an issue. We've got a problem with the chicken hutch for these chickens back here. We've got to fix it. What are we going to do? We're just going to open this up. There is an issue with the actual bottom of the cage. We've had this cage for quite a few years now. We got it from, I think we got it from the warehouse. It really is on its last legs, hence the bit of tarpaulin covering there, the tyres holding that in place. It really is starting to get very makeshift. And because we're so frugal, we've actually been using these 3 sticks, beautiful pieces of stick here, to actually hold the front door in place, because all the hinges pretty much are dead. And what a bonus the chickens have left us. They've left us 3 delicious eggs and some chicken poo. Yippee! The problem we've got is this board here. Yeah, it's pretty spongy. It's really on its last legs. It needs to be replaced, or we've got to come up with another method to sort this out. We're getting the poos out, we're chucking them in the compost. They'll break down and add to the fertile soil that we've got on this property. So we can see the problem here. This board is pretty much toast. Maybe I can, no, I can't even reach up through there. But it's, yeah, it's pretty thin, that's for sure. So we're going to cover that. We're going to measure this and we'll get an appropriate piece to fit in the slot. After taking some crude measurements, I should have taken some more, but that's another story, a bit later on the video. We headed off to Mitre 10 over in Lower Hutt to go and buy some plywood. I know nothing about plywood. That's okay. But on the way home, we went past the Seaview Industrial Estate, where there's whole heaps of plywood and pallets literally given away on the side of the road. If we'd only done that, we would have saved ourselves $52. A lesson learned, that's for sure. Anyway, on with the video. What would we use that for?
Putting a board on to cut it.
Okay.
Damn it, we just played how much?
Oh well, no, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Another pile of pellets, but it doesn't look like any of these will be suitable for what we're going to use it for.
Oh, that one
actually,
there.
that top one, right?
Yeah, because I need to replace my hen fence.
In fact, that top one looks even better than the
that
last
one there.
We got. Yep. Doesn't it?
Oh well, do you want to get out and have a look while I film you?
I think I better go and check this one out, Denise. Just. Literally just.
Oh my goodness. That one looks wrecked.
Oh look, if I'd known about this, we would have saved $50 something.
Yeah, well you don't like my scavenging.
Oh.
You hate my scavenging.
Stupid. I'm stupid.
You spend $50 on a piece of brand new stuff. We just like free stuff lying around all over the joint. Vinnie has learnt a lesson about scavenging. Never buy new.
We went to Mitre 10. We've got this bit of board here. This is going to do for the chicken coop. It's 68 centimetres by 68 centimetres. They cut it up themselves. We didn't even have to pay for it, but in hindsight, because we got those free pellets, we should have just used those. A rookie mistake on my part. But the good news is we've still got some spare ply, and at least I learnt something valuable. It was a good lesson. we've got all this stuff here. This is actually thicker than this stuff here, so I know nothing about plywood. I'm going to learn though, a little bit at least. I don't want to be an expert, that's for sure, but we'll learn something about it. And we also picked up, as part of this, we picked up this thing here. We're going to use that, and that's going to help block off the chickens from escaping our property. We've got the board now, let's see if it fits. Perfect! Well, clearly my measurements are pretty useless. I did measure twice and I didn't cut it, so maybe the measurements are incorrect, who knows. But we're going to have to take a little bit off here. Probably really only needs maybe a centimetre. We'll give that a go. So hopefully this is now cut to size. Let's see if it fits. Let's see how good an effort I've done, because I haven't re-measured this. Oh, let's go. Still feels tight. Let's try it this way.
Oh, it's too long.
Well, clearly this is a major project which has gone horribly wrong. Instead of... Shush! This is turning into a major project. Instead of cut once and measure twice and cut once again, well, something like that, we're turning it into measure 4 times and then cut multiple times as well, and then probably measure again and then realise we've cut it too short. I don't know. We'll have another go with the jigsaw. This time we'll get it right. Round 2. She's a goodie. We'll go with that.
Oh, look at that. Did you put some fresh sawdust in?
Yeah. Yeah, I've done it.
Oh, cool.
It's good enough.
Yeah.
It's not perfect.
Was it any egg?
No. Oh no, I didn't put fresh sawdust in, but I picked out the poos. It's alright, it'll do. We finally got there in the end. The moral of the story is measure twice, cut once, not measure once and then cut multiple times, that's for sure. And save yourself some money. If there's an industrial estate near you, why not get it for free? Yeah, we certainly did. I learned a lesson. Saved ourselves $52. Well, I would have saved ourselves $52. Next time I'll keep that in mind when we're going to look for some wood. But yeah, that's okay. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. We'll catch you in the next video and have a good one. See you later.